Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to rebirth and steal a Brainrot. Let's get straight into the video. So in order to rebirth, all you have to do is basically just you have to go over to the left where it says rebirth. It should be right above shop. Anyways, once you go ahead and look for rebirth, click on it, and then you will need to you need a total of 3 requirements. The first 2 requirements are these 2 brain rots. One is Tongue Sword, which is pretty easy. The other one is Trippy Troppy. Now, once you get those 2, brain rot, you have them in your base. You need to acquire a total of $1 million. Once you acquire a total of $1 million, you have the 2 brain rot, you will be able to rebirth, and that is basically it. It's very simple, and then you can keep doing it until you get to the final slot. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.